After I shared my pozole verde de pollo recipe, so many of you asked for pozole rojo. So today I'm making delicious pozole rojo de puerco, and it's super easy to make. Cheers! My pot is set to medium-high heat with 8 quarts of water. I'm gonna add 1 whole onion, 2 garlic heads, 5 bay leaves, and 3 tablespoons of salt. Cover it up and wait for it to boil. It's now boiling. I'm gonna add the meat, and I'm using espinazo, which is neck bones, and pork ribs. I have a total of 7 pounds. Cover and cook for about an hour and a half. Every so often, open it up and remove any impurities that form on top. And while we wait for the meat, we're gonna start making our salsa. To a pot, I'm gonna add 25 chile guajillos that I've already cleaned and removed all the seeds, and 4 chile anchos. We add water until they're completely covered, and we boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they're ready, and I'm gonna add everything into the blender, along with half a white onion, 8 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups of water from where we boiled the chiles, and we blend. It's been an hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the garlic heads and the onion. At this point, I always add a small piece of ginger. Next, I'm gonna add 110 ounces of hominy, Maíz Blanco, mix. And now we start adding the sauce, and I'm gonna strain it as I do so. If it's too thick, you can just add some of the broth, just like this. Give it a good mix, and this is a perfect time to check for salt. Before covering up, we add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Cover it up, and we continue cooking for an additional 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Our pozole is now ready. I'm gonna serve myself. And look at these, guys. The ribs look so delicious. The meat is super tender, and it's perfect for these cold days. Now I'm gonna prepare my pozole, and this is how I like to do it. I add cabbage, some onion, cilantro, radishes, and last I like to top it off with some salsa macha. I already have a recipe for the salsa macha, so check it out on my page. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious pozole rojo.